Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the basics are in place so the update runs smoothly. First, plug in the iPhone or verify battery is at least 50% and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once connected, open Settings and tap your name to confirm you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Make sure iCloud Drive and Contacts are toggled on. These steps ensure your data syncs and the device can download any iCloud changes without interruptions. So start here now. Once done with the sign-in and connection checks, focus on syncing and storage management. Open iCloud settings and inspect Manage Storage to see available space and what's taking capacity. This tells you if you must free up room. Next, toggle each app you want to backup, photos, messages, notes, so data flows to iCloud. If you need an immediate snapshot, trigger Backup Now in iCloud Backup. Doing these steps avoids partial backups and ensures your latest data is preserved. To finish, let the backup or sync complete fully. Do not sign out or erase the device mid-process because that can corrupt the backup. After the progress bar reaches 100%, verify data appears on another device via iCloud, Com, or a second iPhone. If something goes wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi and restart the iPhone, then attempt the backup again. If errors continue, free at least 1 GB of iCloud storage and check Apple's system status. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.